Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 14. This is Section 1.4, Problem 14. It says, what is the result of 152 subtracted from 765? So to do that subtraction, I write the larger value first, 765. I write the 152 beneath it. Again, I want the digits to line up. Both these numbers have the same amount of digits, but if they didn't, you want the rightmost digits to line up vertically. And now I can do the subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then moving over to the next column of digits to the left, 6 minus 5 is 1. And finally, the last column of digits moving to the left, 7 minus 1 is 6. So that gives me a final result of 613.